Alright, welcome back to another episode of Solving Problems for MMC 2017 for grade 10. So the question is, what is the center of the circle with the equation x squared plus y squared minus 4y is equal to 10? So how are we going to solve this one? So as we look at the equation, we have a term here with an incomplete portion of the quadratic equation. So this one, of course, it has no middle term, so we will retain this as x squared. And then since y, or the variable y, has the middle term, we will complete the square for variable y. So we have y squared minus 4y. So to complete for the square, remember the formula? We have b over 2, then we square them. So our b, numerical coefficient of b is negative 4 divided by 2, then we have to square it. So therefore, we have negative 2 square is equal to positive 4. Now, we will add 4 on each side. So, is equal to 10 plus 4. Alright, so let's continue. Now, so since we already completed the square for the middle term for variable y, then we will proceed now to factoring the left hand side and then simplifying the right hand side. So for x squared, we just copy this, and then for this particular term, we need to factor it out. So this is a perfect square trinomial, or a PST. Now, how do we factor out a PST? Just take the square root of the first term, which is y squared. The square root of that will be y, and then take the sign of the middle term, which is subtraction or negative sign, and then the square root of the last term. What's the square root of 4? That is 2, and then we put it like this. Is equal to 14. Now, we have now the standard form of the equation of a circle, and so therefore, we can now identify the center of the equation of a circle that we are looking for. So we're looking for the center, and the center now, so since this term x has no number beside it, meaning that is 0, and then here we have to take. So remember, this is our h, and then comma k. Our k will be, so take the opposite sign of this number, that is positive 2. So therefore, the center that we are looking for is this. This is our center of the circle. With the equation given a while ago, which is x squared plus y squared minus 4y is equal to 10. Now, if in case we're looking for the radius of the circle, we just take this one, 14. So remember, that is r squared is equal to 14. So if we're looking for the radius, just take the root. So now we have r is equal to positive negative square root of 14. But since we're dealing with distance, radius is always positive. So therefore, our radius will be square root of positive 14, or positive square root of 14. So this is our radius. But in this problem, we are just only looking for this. As always, we are now solved. Thank you. See you next lesson.